Metabo has one of the widest range of mitre saws of any power tool supplier. And in a previous video, we had a look at our top seller, which is the KGS 216M. The number 216 always refers to the diameter of your blade. KG refers to Kapungärungssäge, the German word for mitre saw, and the S refers to your slide. So if you have a KG, it's purely a chop function. KGS is chop as well as slide. Now, here in front of us, we have the upgraded or the higher end version of that KGS 216. It is the KGSV 216. And the V refers to the variable speed you have built in on this machine. Now, that is what makes this machine an all-purpose multi-application machine. Because together with a variable speed, and by changing the number of teeth per blade, you can use this machine on different applications, such as cutting aluminium profiles, and plastics and material of that sort. However, please bear in mind, it is designed and manufactured as a carpenter's woodwork mitre saw, so it is not dedicated aluminium application. The problem with that is in aluminium profile application, you will always have one tooth entering and exiting your workpiece, a lot of hammering vibration going through the bearings. When cutting timbers, you always have 2, 3 or more teeth planing, dragging through the timber, one exiting, another one entering, and always more teeth in. It's a much smoother application. And that is why when cutting aluminium, the different lowering melting temperatures, you need to turn your RPMs down, and therefore this is a carpenter's mitre saw with a multi-application for aluminium, woods and timber. Now, just going through the basic specs of the machine again, very similar to the Metabo KGS 216M. Scope of delivery in a box like this comes standard with your dust bag. It comes standard with your clamp, can be applied there, in front, slotted in over here, or on this side, anywhere you like. The machine comes standard with table extensions either side. The machine mitres or cuts through a 47-degree angle on both sides. Again, that is should you be cutting skirting boards and your plaster is not exactly 90 degrees. It gives you the possibility to go slightly past 45 degrees. The head tilts over one side, also right through to 45 degrees. Basic specifications at 90 degrees this way, 90 degrees upright, your cutting depth is 65 millimeters, and on the cut through over here, it is 305 millimeters in width. Now, should you swivel this through over here, your cutting depth reduces to 36 millimeters. Also, when swinging this over at 47 degrees right through to the side, you will only get 205 millimeters, whereas at 90 it was 305 millimeters. Right, the machine comes standard with a laser, throws a laser line for ease of use. You also have a work light which shines down should you be working in dimly lit applications. Also for transportation, you have a nice carry handle over here and a locking mechanism, easy for taking it to site. Now, in this position, I can flip the machine over and show you the thumb wheel with the variable speed. At full speed, position 6, it spins at 5,500 RPMs. With every reducing number, you drop the RPMs by 600 RPM. So you go from 5,500 to 4,900 to 4,300 and so forth, all the way to the slowest speed, which is 2,500. Over here, you will see the speed rating suggestion. On timber, wood, you have speed setting 3 to 6, aluminium profile 3 to 6, and for plastics and that, between 1 and 3. Also, please remember, on the other applications, increase your teeth per inch, number of teeth per blade. I hope this video was informative. If you have any further questions, please consult the Metabo South Africa YouTube channel or else your nearest Metabo agent.